Welcome to this video, and in this video I want to show you how you can use the Fibonacci retracement to trade. How you plot it and use it to trade. Fibonacci retracement tool is a very effective tool. So what do we do? First of all, get a plain chart. This is crash 300 index. Get a plain chart, and then you go to insert, and you go to objects, and you go to Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement. So this is it. So how do you plot it? This is just it. How do you plot the Fibonacci retracement? Now you look for the recent high and the recent low. Say for example, let's assume from here. Let's assume there was nothing here. Okay, the market just got up to this particular place. How do we plot our Fibonacci? So you look for the recent high, which is here, and the recent low, which is here. Okay, and then you plot it that way. So you put the top at the tip, okay, the wick of the candle, and then the other one at the wick of the low. Okay, so you do this when the market or this particular candle has moved up. You understand me? Then you plot the recent high, recent low to know the point of reversals. And if you look at it very well, you can see. Remember, there was not here yet. Here was not existing yet. Remember. Sorry, let me do this very well. This place was not existing yet. Okay. So when this particular candle pulled up, you plot your Fibonacci, take your trades, and you put your stop loss here. Where are you targeting? 38, 50, okay, 61.8. You understand? So the market many of the time gets to 50% and then retraces. Most especially if it wants to form a double bottom. You understand? So you can see what it did here. The market actually went up to what? Level 50, and from that level 50, it reversed back again to the same bottom where this one was before. So what do? The moment the candle also leaves that zone going up again, you also use your Fibonacci tool. Okay, it's already there, so you leave it again to see that what, since it came to that same zone, since it came to this same zone where this one was before, market came back to that same zone. All you do is leave your Fibonacci tool and target 50% again. You can see what happened. It got to 38, retraced, like corrected, and went back again to 50 and hit your what? Your target. This is 4-hour time frame. You understand me? You can see that's profit two times profit. So the market from here, this was our recent high. Where it reversed from, you can see this rejection candles. You plot a Fibonacci there and look for a recent low, which is this is the recent low. Okay, so let us see how it went there. Recent high at those points of rejection and recent low at this bottom here. So you can see the market reversed and gave us our 50% and 38.2. Look at it. It got to 50% and it got 10.2 before it what? Before it reversed. Can you see? So this is how you can use Fibonacci tool to trade. Just be following the market. Choose your 4-hour time frame, one like that, one index or two indexes, and be trading it that same way. It's very effective. So you can see now what happened again from 38.2, it reversed back up until it got to this high here. Okay, until it got to this high here. Now remember, we now have a recent low and a recent high. When you start seeing rejections, okay, when you start seeing rejections, and you can move it or okay, don't worry. So what do? We plot our Fibonacci to the recent low, which is here. and stretch to our recent high, which is here. Okay, you can see this now became our recent high, and this now became our recent low. And then there was a rejection here. You can see the rejection. When it pulled back a little, you can see the pullback down here. You plot your Fibonacci tool, and the market went back to that same zone. So all you do is to wait for the market to hit your 50. After entering at this zone, the market hits your 50. Now you can see it's heading towards 50. Now you can see. All right, let me just zoom a little so you can see what I'm trying to say. Can you see? It's heading towards level 50 now. It's almost there. I think it's almost there. You just pulled back a little. You can see. So it can retrace from here. You can retrace from here. You can see what I'm trying to say. So this is how you use your Fibonacci tool. Very, very effective. Look for your recent high in a 4-hour time frame. Look for your recent high and recent low, and watch the market do wonders for you. It gives you easy way to put your stop loss and your target. You can put your target a little before 50, and you get all this move straight down. So also you can do for these ones, a recent high, recent low. You go to your 50%. Okay, it came up here and came what? Back, came down again and put back up. You plot it again, recent high, recent low. It gave you your 50%. And it went up again. It pulled back. This now became your recent high, and this here became your recent low. It gave you your 50%. You can see. Then it came back down and pulled back. You plot it. This your see your recent high and your recent low. It gave you your 50%. Okay, and then went back. You can see rejection, pulled back. You plot it, recent high, recent low. It gave you your 50% almost. Then pulled back and gave it to you here. Came again and formed a low here, pull back, you plot it, this recent high, recent low. You can see now it gave you your 50% here, pulled back, this now became your recent low and your recent high. When you plot it, it give you your 50% here, came back here again, pulled up a little, recent low, recent high, gave you your 50% here. You get it? So you just follow the market that way. To this is how it is, very, very easy to use. Look at, so you can target your recent high and your recent low and get 50%, okay, of it, and you're done, and wait for the another recent high again or recent low again. You understand what I'm trying to say? So this is how you can use a Fibonacci tool. Very, very easy to simple to use. You can turn it to a strategy that you always use on 4-hour time frame. You understand? Let me just get another one to see how I can just use this one again. Let me get another one. Remember, there are 2 points of reversal. This is recent high, this is recent low. You can see just exactly as it touched 50, it reversed. Look at it. As it touched 50 with a few pips above 50 and it reversed, it gave us a new low. When it pulled back, you plot your Fibonacci tool. You plot your Fibonacci tool. So let's this from here. Just touch 50 and then it reversed. So you can see. So we now have a new high and what a new low. So when you see it moving, reversing, you can target the bottom again, okay, and it hits there for you, the same place. You just making money just that way. So let us change this to a recent high and let's see how it goes from here. Okay, let me move it. Let me move it from here so that you can see how it works. Okay, good. Now you can see. So as it touched this high, this is the recent low. So we're looking at 50 and it gave us that same 50 there. You see, look at it here. This particular point is the 50 that it gave us. You understand me? And then we have another recent high. So you just follow it that way. The recent high, recent low, recent high, recent low. And you see how the market will just come to look for you. The market will go in your direction, in your anticipated direction. All right, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.